This week on Fly Rod Chronicles, we head down to the beautiful town of White Sulphur Springs, West Virginia to attend the GameChanger event. GameChanger was created right here in West Virginia in 2018, which aids the fight against substance abuse and misuse. The organization is dear to my heart. Before Fly Rod Chronicles, I was a teacher, counselor, and coach, and we get to take some incredible folks fly fishing on Second Creek. All the stars came out for this event, and country music superstar Brad Paisley was our keynote speaker, and former NFL quarterback star Ryan Leaf tells his comeback story on the stream as the trout cooperate and makes a few newbie dignitaries fly fishermen forever. This show has some highs and lows, but teaches us to never give up. So stick around.